Money runs the world. It builds empires, creates freedom, and can even destroy lives when handled the wrong way. But here's the truth. Most people never learn the real rules of money. Schools don't teach them. Society hides them. And that's why the majority spend their lives working for money, instead of making money work for them. So before we dive in, smash that like button right now. Because if you want to be in the game of wealth, you can't just play by the rules, you have to know the rules. Today, I'll give you the top rules of money. If you master even a few of these, your entire financial life can change. Rule number 1, respect money, but don't worship it. Money is powerful, but it's not everything. People who disrespect it, wasting it on junk, ignoring where it goes, always end up broke. But here's the other trap. Those who worship money, who think money alone will solve every problem, usually lose themselves in the process. Money should be your soldier. You send it out to work for you, but it should never be your master. Respect it enough to grow it, but never kneel before it. Rule number 2, learn the language of money. Think about this. If you travel to France but don't speak French, you're lost. Same with money. If you don't speak its language, assets, liabilities, compound interest, leverage, you'll always be an outsider. Financial literacy is the passport to wealth. The poor and middle class avoid learning it, while the wealthy treat it like oxygen. If you want to win with money, study it daily like a second language. Rule number 3, protect the downside before chasing the upside. Most people dream only about profits. They ask, how much can I make? The wealthy ask, how much can I lose? And can I survive that loss? The first rule of wealth is survival. Protect your downside. Before investing, before starting a business, before spending, always ask, what's the worst case scenario and can I handle it? If the answer is no, walk away. Rule number 4, cash flow beats paychecks. A paycheck is nice, but it stops the moment you stop working. Cash flow is freedom. It keeps coming in whether you work or not. That's why the wealthy buy assets like real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or businesses that generate income. If all your money depends on your time, you're not free. The moment your assets start paying your bills, you've stepped into real wealth. Rule number 5, money loves speed, but wealth loves patience. Opportunities in money don't wait. You see a chance, you act. That's why successful entrepreneurs move fast. But wealth itself, wealth is built slowly, quietly, and patiently. Get-rich-quick schemes? They almost always fail. But those who act fast on the right opportunities, then let time do the heavy lifting, win the game. Rule number 6, control your emotions around money. Fear and greed. These two emotions destroy more wealth than recessions or inflation. When markets crash, the fearful panic and sell. When markets rise, the greedy overbuy at the top. The wealthy? They stay calm. They know money doesn't respond to emotions. It responds to discipline, strategy, and long-term thinking. If you can control yourself, you can control your wealth. Rule number 7, build money relationships, not just money skills. Money flows through people. No matter how smart you are, wealth doesn't happen in isolation. Partnerships, networks, and relationships open doors that money alone cannot. Think about every billionaire. You'll notice they didn't just master money, they mastered relationships. Who you know and how much trust you build often matters more than what you know. Rule number 8, money rewards value, not time. Most people trade time for money, but here's the hard truth. Your time has a cap, value doesn't. The world pays in proportion to the value you provide, not the hours you clock. That's why one person makes $15 an hour, while another makes $15,000 for an hour-long speech. Stop trading time. Start trading value. Rule number 9, never let money sit idle. Money that sleeps, dies. Inflation eats it alive. Wealthy people make their dollars work. Every dollar has a job. Invested, reinvested, growing. Even your emergency fund can sit in a high-yield savings account. Never leave money lazy because lazy money disappears quietly. Rule number 10, position yourself for the long game. The rich don't just think about today or tomorrow. They think in decades. Where will the world be in 10 years? What industries will rise? What skills will still matter? Positioning is everything. If you prepare now for where the future is headed, money will find you. If you live only for the present, money will pass you by. Rule number 11. Learn asymmetry. Small risk, big reward. The wealthy don't take random risks. They look for asymmetry, where the downside is small, but the upside is massive. Think of startups. Most fail, but the few that succeed change lives forever. Or think of buying Bitcoin at $200. It could have gone to zero, but the upside was so huge, it was worth the small risk. Train yourself to spot asymmetric bets. That's where fortunes are made. Rule number 12. Money is a tool, not a scoreboard. In today's social media world, people use money to show off. The car, the house, the watch, it's all a scoreboard. But here's the truth. Money is just a tool. A tool for freedom, for security, for impact. If you treat money as a scoreboard, you'll always compete with someone richer. If you treat money as a tool, you'll always win, because you'll use it to craft the life you actually want. Rule number 13. Don't just earn, multiply. The average person thinks money is only made by earning more at work. But the wealthy know the secret, multiplying money. Every dollar you make should have a plan to create more dollars. Maybe it's investing in stocks, buying real estate, building an online business, or even acquiring skills that raise your income potential. The rule is simple. Don't just chase bigger paychecks. Build systems where money multiplies, so your effort compounds over time. Rule number 14. Wealth is built in silence, spent in confidence. Flashy lifestyles fool the masses, but most truly wealthy people build their empires quietly. They reinvest, stay disciplined, and don't waste years showing off. Then, when their foundation is unshakable, they can enjoy life with confidence, without fear of going broke tomorrow. So remember, the car you don't buy today, the flex you don't need to make on Instagram, that's the capital funding your future freedom. Rule number 15. Play the money game to win, not just to survive. Most people think about money only in terms of paying bills, surviving the month, or avoiding debt. That mindset keeps them trapped. The wealthy, they play to win. They set big financial targets, they build long-term strategies, and they take calculated risks to move forward, not just to stay afloat. If your money mindset is only about survival, you'll never break free. Shift to a winning mindset. Money is not just about today. It's about creating a life where you call the shots. Now here's the bottom line. Money doesn't play favorites. It doesn't care where you were born, what school you went to, or how much you started with. Money obeys rules. Those who learn them rise. Those who ignore them stay stuck. So the question is, are you ready to start playing the money game the right way? If this video gave you even one idea you'll use in your financial life, click that like button right now. And for more powerful strategies on wealth, success, and financial freedom, subscribe to MoneyCraft, where you learn to craft money, not chase it.